Hey, my name is Lee.
Philip Montero.
And Heather. We're going to prank Xavier. This is our tool. We're going to have Xavier run into this and bust his fucking ass. We're going to throw this on him. This is baby food. Very disgusting. And then some baby powder. Okay? And he should be coming upstairs soon. So Sissy will be in the bathroom to record all of it while we do all of this. Good luck. You get to see it from my view. This is Xavier. Oh! Start shutting the lights off. Alright, this is what it's going to be with the light off, so just keep it recording. Alright, good, baby, we don't see you. It's so black, we don't see you in the corner. Well, at least you know he ain't going to see none of us. Wait, don't have to close the door, it would trip. No, it's going to be noticeable.
He's not that smart to think that, oh my god, the door's open.
Shut up! You fucking loud. You're supposed to be, it's a room sleeping, I have to play it off. Hopefully his ass can hurry the fuck up. Wait, we don't want your phone on.
I don't care what you want. I want to have it on Facebook. Ow!
You know what happens when you talk to me like that? I have to know when to hear him.
Alright, this is a recording of Xavier's prank caused by that girl.
Phil's recording.
That girl over there. That's how much they love him. So, stay tuned and let me talk a little bit and just stay with me. And we're gonna throw baby powder.
There you go. Should I be in the bathtub to get better view?
And
no, because you have to turn on the light.
Alright.
I'm ready. Turn on the light.
Come through that door.
Oh, shit.
Fine.
That was good.
It's so dark in here.
Looks like we're getting dressed and stuff. Yeah. You should take it off. Don't forget she'll get mad. Okay. Running, you suck. I know.
I was thinking she was gonna be over here.
I know.
So I was like, just going down back.
Everybody. Let's see your bag.
Yeah,
it is baby food.
Hey, but you got phone, man.
Oh God, that was fun. Say bye.
Alright, I gotta take a shower, man. Oh God.
Bye everyone.
Bye.